Okay, Lucy, you want your goodies? Get in your bed. There you go. Why don't you go all the way in? Get in there. Good girl, Luz. She comes out, jumps down on the crate, and then on the thing there. Hi, Lucy. Come on, Luz. Come on. And I can close her in here. Can't I, Lucy? My handy dandy lock. Yep. Hey, Lucy. Just found out today she's got 4 puppies in there. Yep. Well, she can't get out. Hey, Lucy Lou. Just let me out of here. Okay, Lucy. Lucy.